classroom is all about graphing. We have a couple different things in our graphing Google Classroom today. There's going to be 3 different sections. So when you come to a new direction slide, please watch the video to figure out what you're supposed to do. For our first section, we're going to be actually moving our pictures down to our boxes to make a picture graph. So the first thing I need to do is pull down my picture to the picture box that matches. And remember, I always graph a picture graph by going right next to the icon or the picture that is shown. So I'm going to find all of mine. You can either do all of them at once or you can work your way across the screen. It doesn't matter, as long as you are putting it in the right box. And make sure you get all the pictures. There should be nothing left at the top of the screen. Okay, now that I've made my picture graph, I'm going to read the sentence below. If you can't read it or you want it read to you, you can push this circle right here. If you hover over it and push the play button, I will read the sentence to you. This sentence says, how many ice cream cones are there? So I'm going to come up to my ice cream cones and I'm going to count how many I graphed. So how many are in my picture graph? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 ice cream cones in my picture graph. Now remember, your icon down here, your label, you do not count that. I only count the ones that I graphed. So I see 4 of them. I'm going to double click my question mark and I'm going to push 4 on my keyboard, and then I'm done with that slide. There are more for you to practice on the side. When you get to number 7, all that's changed is that the graphs, they'll go up and down. They go up and down. So it's the same idea. You're going to still move your pictures to the bar graph or the picture graph, just like this, making sure it matches the label until you get done, and then you can answer the question over here, just like we did on the other slide.